Unlock the secrets behind the Payoneer Mastercard fees so you can spend smarter, not harder. First things first, getting your hands on a Payoneer Mastercard. While the card itself often has no issuance fee, meaning it's free to order, you might encounter a small fee for the physical card delivery, typically around $10. This is a one-time cost to get that essential plastic into your wallet. Now, let's talk about using your card. Whether you're withdrawing cash from an ATM or making purchases, there are transaction fees to consider. ATM cash withdrawals usually come with a fee, often around $315 per transaction for purchases within your local currency. There are generally no fees, however. If you're making a purchase in a different currency, expect a currency conversion fee, typically around 3% of the transaction amount. But wait, there's also an annual maintenance fee to keep your Payoneer Mastercard active. You'll typically pay an annual fee of $2,995. This fee is charged once a year to cover the ongoing services and benefits of having the card. It's essential to be aware of this recurring cost to manage your account effectively. So, to recap, you might have a small delivery fee for the physical card, transaction fees for ATM withdrawals and currency conversions, and a yearly maintenance charge. Understanding these Payoneer Mastercard fees empowers you to use your card efficiently and keep your finances in check. Stay informed. Stay in control.